guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Nike ISPA Drifter Gator. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and you never miss any of our latest videos. Let's get into the review. So today we've got a look at the Nike Drifter Gator ISPA, and for those that don't know, ISPA means improvise, scavenge, protect, and adapt. And that is Nike's newest department, and they are looking at ways to essentially improve, scavenge, protect, adapt into the market with their range of products, really cool futuristic looking sneakers. And we've got a look at the Nike Drifter Gator ISPA. Sorry, it is ISPA. I'm so used to saying ISPA. But we've got this in the coastal blue colorway, and we've got this in the UK 7.5, a US 8.5, and it's a European 42. Before I delve into the review, I just want to mention the box. So this box starts the whole process of Nike essentially being sustainable. So this is Nike's way of being sustainable just off the bat with the box. We've done the ISPA Drifter in the split, and we've done the sandal. So check out those reviews because essentially it's the same box that they've used. And that's what I mean when I mean by the same box in regards to it being sustainable. There's no other color dye, it's just the regular brown box you will get in the print. No flashy imagery or anything, it's just normal Nike lettering, swoosh, and you've got the whole ISPA message on it. Get into it, and here we go. So I know off the bat, looking at the sneaker is, as I mentioned, really innovative. So off the bat, look at the sneaker, really innovative. You can see it in the whole ISPA message that they're trying to be, they're trying to improve. And in regards to their ISPA lettering, the acronym, there we go, that's the word I'm looking for. This is to protect. So you can see this big, bulbous packaging that's along with the sneaker, but we'll get into that in a bit. So like always, we'll start with the outsole. So with this outsole, you've got the typical rubber ISPA patterning with all that molds coming out. It's black, and you can see this little translucent bit in the middle where it says ISPA, improvise, scavenge, protect, adapt, the whole mantra with the Nike swoosh. Going up along the midsole. So this midsole unit is, I can't tell if it's a special kind of React or anything. It feels to me like it's a normal foam, could be EVA, but it's these little craters here, like these small bits here. And what they are, that is the Crater X. So that is the cushioning system that you'll get. And there is no strobe board, so you're standing straight onto that Crater X insole, you're just feeling it. Moving along onto the upper, so it's all textile upper. You got the heat press Nike swoosh at the toe. You got the ripstop nylon material making that front with the hits of blue and black, giving it that coastal blue colorway. Working along the upper, so you got a bit of a, I'd say, an unorthodox lacing system using different kind of lace loops over here, and it is flat lacing as well, along with hits of 3M. So these are reflective laces. And moving along to the back, so you've got the whole pouch, and this is the whole protection aspect of this sneaker, what I was gonna mention beforehand. And it is really dope that Nike are trying new things when it comes to wearing sneakers in rain, which I'm going to show you, because essentially this is a rain jacket that's inside a sneaker. Well, a rain jacket for your ankles and up to your knee, not a literal rain jacket for you. But you've got this pouch right here that encases it, and we'll unzip it. Okay. And it comes out in a high-vis fluorescent yellow right there. And this is meant to be waterproof. Oh, well, not waterproof, water resistant. Just want to put that out there because waterproof is a whole different thing that doesn't let water in. This merely takes water out, like prevents it from affecting the materials, essentially. And so you've got this, and it feels like it's the waterproof material that you get in a rain jacket. It's got the ISPA Nike logo here, and in the inner you got the instructions. And essentially you look at that pictures right there and it looks like a hoodie, like a rain jacket, but it's not. It's just how to align your feet to it, how to strap yourself in and essentially protect your legs from getting wet. But the bad thing is that I don't think that this protects like the frontal bit of the sneaker from the tongue towards the toe. It doesn't, because it just essentially wraps around your ankle and to your knee, so that front bit is not getting any like protection. But this does feel like it feels like it's not going to get any water in because it's that ripstop nylon. But as a means of the urban explorer getting through the city, obviously we live in London, you're going to see a lot of rain. It was raining on my way here to the studio, and I would love to have used these instead of, well, I was wearing my Nike acronyms. They didn't get any water in, but I would have turned a lot of heads just putting this on because it's bright, it's different, it's really unique. You never see anything like this. To be honest, I've never seen anything like this. I've only seen like the Swedish brand Vagabonds. They've got the stretch nylon ankle knee-high boots for ladies or guys, whatever you wear. Like, we're not here to judge, and that's pretty dope. Like, obviously this is doing this it's protecting people from rain. I can't wait to show you what it looks like on. Just before we do the on feet, I want to mention that the inner is fluorescent yellow, just like the outer shell that's going to be protecting your legs. And you got the ISPA logo inside the insole, and that wraps it. I can't wait to show you guys what these look like on. And I'm really excited. It's really an unconventional sneaker, really futuristic. I mean, this is what Nike's doing with their ISPA department. They are tending to whatever needs that the athlete is going to be coming across, and in this case, harsh rain, really. So I can't wait to try these on, show you guys what these look like, and as I mentioned, it's really unique. Let's do this. First things off, guys, this, it just catches your attention. I know it's the color, it might be the concept, but I think, honestly, I do think it's really practical, because as I'm talking right now, it is raining outside, and I'd love to protect at least my ankles so it doesn't get water in. but I can see this is like a rain jacket. Functionality wise, practicality wise, it's dope, I think. Fit wise, get your true twos, Nike fit. So mine is a 7.5 UK. That's what I always get from Nike, and it's the same fit. I just want to mention that these are essentially the same as the Drifter split that we have done in the past, and the Drifter sandal, the ISPA sandal, in regards to the fit. And it is essentially the same sneaker because it incorporates that Japanese tabby style. Obviously the split is not there, but it's essentially the same. It feels like all the other ISPA sneakers that we've tried on in the past, and they are really comfy, and in this case really practical. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.